Hey, Brian Young with ProTinkerToys.com and Pro Tinker on eBay. There's my little logo. Anyway, we've got a lot of RC cars we've been doing. We've been getting some great prices. Matter of fact, I'm getting a sweet deal on 100 just low-cost RC cars for, your first-time guy that just wants to get one for his son. Just a lot of fun, basic car, but fun, okay? Got them great price. Anyway, we've had the Firefox, done great sales with it. But people have been asking me, hey, I want to see what this thing looks like on the road. So we are going to take this outside. Oh my gosh, four-wheel drive. Holy cow. Slow down, Brian. Oh, okay. Okay, so we're going outside, see how this thing goes. Okay, come on, let's go, ball. Come on, let's go. Okay, so this is the Firefox. Just a fun little car. Check that baby out. Look at that. Holy cow, look at that. Holy moly. Check that out. Woo! Good. Holy cow. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Okay, so that's another car you can get. This is another item you can get on ProTinkerToys.com. The Firefox. A great deal at a great price.